Alright, so what we're looking at today is a Swisher zero-turn lawnmower. I don't have any idea how old this thing might be, but you'll see that it's a Swisher 14.5 36-inch. So that would be a 14.5 horsepower Briggs and Stratton engine, 36-inch cutting deck. However, that engine is a goner, and I replaced it with a different Briggs engine, 21 horsepower, came off a Craftsman tractor, and so now it's officially not a Craftsman lawnmower. So anyway, this is what happened to the old engine, the 14.5 horsepower Briggs. Connecting rod let loose, punched a pretty good sized hole back there behind the starter, so she gone. This was pretty much a direct bolt up. I did have to change the exhaust around from the original engine. Needed to put the exhaust from that on here and a couple other minor things. But we got her mowing, we got her running, and let me see if there's a model number. Oh, and there's something here. There's that. And that's almost unreadable. But anyway, there it is. The Swisher 14.5 36-inch cutting deck. You can adjust the level of the deck by cranking this knob, and there's a readout right there of how many inches or so, or what setting. Don't know if it's actually inches, but right now I have it in the highest it'll go, but it's cutting from my preference a little bit too low, but it's not mine, so it's going to get it back to the owner and he can get to cutting his grass. So there you go. Thanks for watching.